wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best model boat kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. It requires your own paint and glue, but once fully assembled, the Revell USS Missouri will resemble the World War II ship of the same name. It features 2 detailed Navy seaplanes and 3 movable turrets, and it comes with a display stand. It also includes a nameplate and 9 guns that can move up and down. However, the small pieces are tough to connect. At number 9, suitable for both beginners and intermediate building enthusiasts, the Tasma Starter allows you to bring the USS Constitution, which became a national monument in 1905 after decades of action, back to life in your living room. It comes with nails and thread and 6 paint colors, but the instructions are hard to understand. Coming in at number 8 on our list. A replica of a European fishing boat, the Revell Germany North Sea comes equipped with many of the elements required to battle the rough seas, such as life rings and a double cable winch. It's approximately 14 inches long once completed. It's made of durable plastic and includes realistic radar masts. However, tools and paint are not included. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for model boat kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Fascinations Queen Anne is the next best thing to experiencing your own swashbuckling adventure on the high seas. You begin by using wire cutters to pop the parts out of small metal sheets, then follow the instructions to assemble the ship. It features precise details and resembles an 18th century pirate ship, but it can be quite difficult to assemble. Moving up our list to number 6. While it doesn't come with action figures of Jack and Rose from the movie, the Revell Germany Titanic includes just about every other relevant component of that infamous ocean liner. The instructions include advice on which colors of paint to use as well. You get a total of 132 pieces and detailed lifeboats. However, assembly is rather time-consuming. Halfway up our list at number 5. With the xiaz 3D Mini, you're giving your child an opportunity to embark on a new hobby that will teach attention to detail and produce nifty decorations for his or her bedroom. It's also a great way for parents to bond with kids over leisure time. It's available in 3 designs and no glue is required. It's made with strong natural wood. At number 4, a reproduction of the largest ship in the world as of 1912, the Academy Titanic Centenary does history justice. It comes with authentic decals, and the smokestacks and cargo hoists look realistic. The package contains a display stand as well. This one's ideal for advanced skill levels and arrives pre-painted. And unlike the original, it's reliably resistant to water. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Revell LSM landing ship may as well have come straight out of the Pacific Ocean in 1944, with battle tanks and scout cars that look historically accurate. If you have a World War II buff in your family, this would make a nice gift. It features movable front hatches, 6 realistic cannons, and vehicles that can be removed. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for model boat kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, engineered with plans provided by the Smithsonian Institution in Washington, D.C., the Revell Constitution provides a welcome challenge for ambitious model boat lovers. It comes with nearly 1,400 pieces, so be prepared to sink your teeth into this one. It's 3 feet long when completed and makes a handsome display piece for a home. It can be built with or without sails. And coming in at number 1 on our list, a large model at 27 inches long and 22 inches tall, the Latina bluenose will take some time to properly construct, but the wait will be well worth it. As long as you follow the instructions, assembly will be far more fun than frustrating. It includes durable brass nails, deck fittings made of strong metal, and high-quality pre-cut sails. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for model boat kits, or simply click beneath this video.